Hello and welcome back to our channel Trade Trio. We had amazing last week with around 340 pips gain in our Forex calls, and this is the summary. We gave four analysis with in pound USD we got 150 pips gain. In USD CAD we had 190 pips gain, and in Euro USD we had wait and see stance. In CADCHF we had 40 pips gain. So if you still haven't watched this video, you can watch this video. The link will be in the description. And with 340 pips gain last week and 120 pips gain in the previous week, we have around 460 pips gain. So let's start this week analysis. Let's start with our favorite gold. We had our stop loss hit in gold. We were assuming it will bounce from this area, but we clearly mentioned that we had a bullish stance as long as it is above 1830 area. So your stop loss should be 1829, and it did hit, and we are out from this trade. Now this week we have wait and see stance, as this is trading in a range, and we are expecting it will come down. So once it come down to our support zone or come to our resistance area, we will give our call. Also on the weekly chart, as you can see, it is converging in a symmetrical triangle, and it took a hit last week from the resistance area. So once it is out of this symmetrical triangle, we are out from this trade. And if it gave a breakout below, we will short it, and if break above, we will long from here. Next we have oil. Last week we gave sideways stance, and we ask you to wait and see. uh, but this week we have a bullish bias here, and this is a weekly chart. As you can see, it is trading in a good parallel channel, and it gave a breakout from this area which was mentioned in the last week video as well. So we think it will go up from here, and the resistance area near is 93 to 95 area. So it will be a parallel channel top, or it can be this resistance area which is a weekly. As you can see, it can act as a good resistance from here. Next we have Palladium. Amazing week in Palladium as well. uh, if you have seen this video, then as you can see, it was shared on 23rd January, and the level of Palladium was mentioned here. It is around 2098. So it was around 2100, and we had a buy on dip buys, and currently it is standing around 2368 area. So 13% gain in alone in Palladium. And again, we are still bullish, so you can carry your profits from here, or if it take any dip, then you can buy here, and you can book your profit around this resistance area, which is 2480 or 2500. Let's move to Forex. And in Forex we have pound USD first. From last 2 weeks we had sale on strength buys, and still this week we have a same stance. But you cannot short on the current level. It will bounce a bit to the mentioned zone. So any strength is a good opportunity to sell. So all in all, you can sell it on strength and book your profit to the downside. Next we have USD CAD. Well, again, this call was given 2 weeks before, and you can book your profit to 220 pips gain. And this week we also have a buy on dip strategy, or buy on dip buys. But don't buy on the current level, as it will take a little bit of dip. As you can see, it is standing on the resistance area, so you can book your profit here, and then if it take a dip, you can plot Fibonacci here. It can take dip to this area, 27,160. Then you can take your long position and continue to book your profit to the upside. Next we have Euro USD. Last week we had wait and see stance, and now this week we have sale on strength buys on this pair, and as you can see it was consolidating in this box. This is a 7-week trading range, and it gave a fake out above here, and we hit our stop loss last week, and now it is trading below this um, consolidation box and this support zone. So now you can sell it on strength, and your stop loss is mentioned here. It have a good downside target as it is a flag pattern, and you can have good profits and good pips in this pair. Next we have CADCHF. Well, last week we had a sale on strength buys, and we mentioned this parallel area and this horizontal area to book your profit. It hit our parallel channel area, so congratulations, you gained 40 pips from here. Now still this week we have a sale on strength buys, and you can continue to short on any strength if you see in this pair. Next we have pound Aussie. Well, pound Aussie is looking good here, and as you can see it is well protected from the long-term trend line, and it is trading in a short-term parallel channel, and in the last trading session it hit our top of the parallel channel. So on the horizontal level, yes, it did give a breakout, but I think it will take a little bit of dip. So this dip is a good buying opportunity. You can buy on this dip. Your stop loss should be below this area, 89,300 or 89,350. Your stop loss should be below it, and then you can continue to book your profit on the upside. Lastly, we have New Zealand dollar. Well, New Zealand dollar has been in pressure since 25th of Feb 2021, so it is almost a year here. uh, well, it is at good support zone. As you can see, it is already highlighted that 4 times it took a good support from here, and now we are expecting it will bounce a little bit from here, and this bounce will be around 100 or 120 pips. So you can buy at current level or any dip with stop loss 64,600, and book your profit around this horizontal area or this parallel channel. Well, thank you for watching this video. You can subscribe to our channel, Trade Trio, and you can follow on TradingView, and also join our Telegram channel.